When it comes to connecting your video equipment, the right adapter can make all the difference. The F-type male-to-male BNC connector adapter is designed to effortlessly link an F-type coaxial cable with devices that have BNC inputs. This means no more fumbling with incompatible connectors or worrying about signal loss. The beauty of this adapter lies in its simplicity and reliability. F-type connectors are known for their straightforward design and dependable connection, making them a favorite among installers and DIY enthusiasts alike. On the other hand, BNC connectors, while common in professional video setups, can sometimes be tricky to terminate properly. This adapter bridges that gap perfectly. By converting an F-type male connector to a male BNC, it eliminates the hassle of dealing with BNC connectors directly. You get the ease of the F-type connection with the versatility of the BNC input on your equipment. One of the standout uses for this adapter is with the Trulink HDMI over Coax system. If you're working with existing F-type cabling in your home or office, this adapter allows you to connect seamlessly to the BNC connectors on Trulink devices without rewiring or replacing cables. Customers across the United States have praised this adapter for its straightforward functionality. Many highlight how it simply works as expected, providing a fast and reliable connection without any fuss. The quick delivery is an added bonus for those eager to get their setups running smoothly. What changes when you use this adapter? You gain peace of mind knowing your video signal is secure and stable. No more worrying about loose connections or signal interference caused by improper terminations. This adapter ensures your equipment communicates clearly, preserving video quality. The compact design also means it fits neatly into your existing setup without adding bulk. Whether you're upgrading a security camera system or enhancing your home theater, this adapter blends in seamlessly without cluttering your cables or ports. Why does this matter? Because a reliable connection saves time and frustration. Instead of troubleshooting connectivity issues or replacing cables, you get a plug-and-play solution that just works. That's the kind of convenience every tech user appreciates. Worth a look if you're dealing with mixed connector types or upgrading your video equipment. The F-type male-to-male BNC connector adapter is a small investment that delivers solid performance and compatibility, making your installation process smoother. Midway through your setup, if you find yourself juggling different cable types, this adapter can be a quick fix. It's especially handy for those who want to maintain their existing coaxial infrastructure while expanding or modernizing their video systems. Installation is straightforward. No special tools or expertise required. Simply connect the F-type male end to your coaxial cable and the BNC male end to your device. The secure fit ensures minimal signal loss and consistent performance every time. The durability of this adapter also deserves mention. Built to last, it withstands regular use and environmental factors without compromising the connection. This reliability means fewer replacements and less downtime in your video setup. If that's you, someone looking for a no-nonsense solution to connect F-type cables to BNC inputs, this adapter is worth considering. It's a practical choice that saves you from complicated rewiring or expensive custom cables. By choosing this adapter, you're investing in a tool that simplifies your video connections and supports a wide range of equipment. Whether for professional installations or home use, it adapts to your needs with minimal effort. Don't let connector incompatibility slow down your project. This adapter bridges the gap efficiently, letting you focus on what matters: clear, uninterrupted video signals and a clean, organized setup. Try it when you're ready to streamline your video connections. It's a subtle upgrade that makes a noticeable difference in reliability and ease of use. In summary, the F-type male-to-male BNC connector adapter offers a reliable, easy-to-use solution for connecting coaxial cables to BNC-equipped devices. It supports existing infrastructure, reduces installation headaches, and maintains signal integrity. Whether you're working with Trulink HDMI over Coax systems or other video equipment, this adapter ensures compatibility without compromise. It's a small but essential accessory for anyone serious about their video connections.